Who doesn't hate emptying those dust collectors? But I think I have a way of emptying that bag without making a mess. First thing, beat down the dust from the top. Oops, guess I shouldn't have detached that hose. And then I gave it a few minutes to settle before taking the bag off. Lots of fine dust in here. So the diameter of this leaf bag should be just a bit bigger than my dust collection bag. Okay, a little bit of dust coming out now. Alright, you can just see the dust floating around. So that went about as well as I could have hoped. This bottom bag is actually another filter bag just like the one on top, so as long as the dust collector isn't full, I get filtering on both ends. There we go! And I did get some dust on me on my pants here. And the dust in here is kind of settled. So, my technique works.